Hey, this is Mr. Reyes here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. So, a sandwich shop has four kinds of bread to choose from and three sandwich fillings to choose from. If Anna Marie chooses a random sandwich from the menu, what is the probability that the sandwich will be hummus with brownie, which is gross? Uh, so we had the four breads from our video the other day: rye, white, whole grain, and brownie. And the fillings are chicken, tuna salad, or hummus. And we calculated the other day, we said, okay, there are four kinds of bread and there are three kinds of fillings. So we multiplied those together to see our sample space. And if you remember, the sample space is the total number of combinations that we can have of the bread with the filling, or the total number of outcomes that can happen.
Joy Taylor, if you're filling, please report to door N by the gateway and Joy Taylor. Your ride is here by door N.
All right. And where was I? The We calculated 4 times 3 to find the sample space, which is all the outcomes. So that's 12. So there are 12 different kinds of sandwiches she could end up getting. And she is only going to get one sandwich. So we just have to write a fraction of the sample space underneath the number of trials or number of sandwiches. So number of trials, sample space. Now, those seem like really complicated words, but by now you should hopefully understand, well, the sample space is just all the different things that could happen. And the trials are just, when you do something, when you make a sandwich, when you spin the spinner, that's a trial. So she's only making one sandwich, and there are 12 different possibilities. So our probability ends up being 1/12. Now, if she were making two sandwiches and we were asking the probability that at least one of them is hummus with brownie, then we'd have to say 2 over 12, and we'd have to simplify it to 1 over 6. But she's only making one sandwich, and we want to know the probability that that sandwich is this exact kind, the hummus with brownie, which honestly, I love hummus, and I love brownies, but hummus with brownie, it does not sound very good. So there's a 1 in 12 chance that the sandwich is really gross, in my opinion. Maybe you like that stuff. More power to you.